My name is Stanley Zier. I will give you a small background about myself. I'm the founder of 3 sites: Never Again Is Now, Victorious America, and Scrap the Deal. I also write for 2 papers, Israel National News and Renew America, both conservative papers, nothing to do with the left. Today I speak to you for only one purpose. It is to declare Pennsylvania is open for business. Rise up, Pennsylvanians. The time to end Governor Wolf's lockdown mandate is now. How did I come to this understanding? Number 1, I am a citizen of the United States of America. So what do I get from being a citizen? The first and foremost greatest benefit is I receive the inheritance of our founders left to us in perpetuity. That is, to keep America free from tyranny. So that is why I feel free to talk about what is happening here in Pennsylvania. This is my inheritance, as well as yours, and I'm not going to let anyone deny us that inheritance and deny us our birthright. And that's what is happening here. We have a governor that is promoting domestic tyranny. He's spreading a virus that will permanently shut us down. What's going to happen if he continues to get away with it? 63% of the businesses and thousands of jobs will be lost permanently unless we open this state now. You all came up here for rallies, stuck out your necks, signed petitions. I did not come up here to disparage what you did. I came up here to bring it to a conclusion, to what we must do. This governor is not going to stop. He's not going to stop even after President Trump is reelected. He's going to continue. So I would like to speak to you what I put on this flyer for this event. We refuse to stay locked down by autocratic mandates and scientific chicanery has resulted in the COVID-induced restrictions that will now lead to the permanent loss of thousands of businesses and jobs. Governor Wolf, we will not allow you to crush and destroy our free markets while still collecting our taxes. The fight against tyranny started here in Pennsylvania, the birthplace of the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence. Governor Wolf, we will no longer honor your tyrannical mandate. Pennsylvanians, the time to return to work and open up all our businesses is now. So what are our options? What can we do within our legal bounds to open up Pennsylvania? First of all, it will have to be based on our Constitution. Specifically, we are basing it on the redress of grievances. The First Amendment says, Congress shall make no laws respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people to peacefully assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. And that is what we're doing here today. What's happening here is we're paying taxes to this governor as he shuts our businesses down. Now we can't pursue our livelihoods, our life, liberty, and our pursuit of happiness. He's on our estate and declared war on our Constitution. He's worse than the King of England. We fought against that king for this, and how dare this man come here and declare we can't open our businesses? It's our choice if we want to open businesses. It's our choice to protect our life to which way we think is best. Remember, the Constitution was not written to any leader, to any judge, or any scientist. It was written to we the people. I'm sure the founding fathers knew the American people were people of common sense. They arrived at great decisions because of common sense. And now someone is telling us our common sense is wrong. So based on that, we are going to put our petition for redress of grievances on the door behind me, like our founders did some 250 years ago. We're going to rise up and shut down Governor Wolf's tyrannical mandate. Pennsylvania will be open for business. Governor Wolf, as a citizen of the United States of America, I give my pledge allegiance to the Constitution of the United States. Some are pledging allegiance to you. Is this pledge of allegiance to a tyrant? You damn straight it is. And that is who you are. You just make up anything you want based on scientific chicanery, which is also already proven that scientists say we made many mistakes. Remember what President Trump said right at the beginning. Young people go forward. The elderly people stay back. The first statement the scientists made was, no one has to wear a mask. And that was responsible for turning this virus into a heat-seeking missile that killed thousands upon thousands of people in the United States. And they got away with it. Right now, scientists are more powerful than the President of the United States. Imagine George Washington at Valley Forge, and suddenly Dr. Fauci appears and says, I'm sorry, you can't cross the Delaware today. You have to be in lockdown. We got a virus that's spreading. Maybe you'll feel better in a couple of months. Then you can attack the British. That's how outrageous this lockdown is. President Trump is now bringing us vaccines. Yes, there might be some collateral damage, but there is always collateral damage in a war. And right now, our war is against these people who piggyback this virus to not only shut us down, but to flatline our economy. We cannot let this get away from us. If you stand there and one person goes back, then two people go back, we're all going to get picked off one by one. But if everyone in Pennsylvania goes back together as one group, then it'll be all for one and all for all. But if you don't, and you sit there, you might as well join Joseph Biden in his basement, because it's going to be none for none and none for all.